Once you've installed Fileflare, you'll be brought to the dashboard here. And the first steps we need to do to setting up is you'll need to create products in your Shopify store. To do that, all you need to do is go to the products page. I've already got a bunch of test products here, but you can just press this add product button to add a name, price, all the info you need. Generally with digital products, you don't need inventory, so you uncheck this. And we need to tell Shopify and Fileflare that it's a digital product, so you uncheck this too. And that's how you create products. Discard this for now because we already have test products. Go back to Fileflare. Okay, so the next step is to upload your files. There are two methods to doing this, and the first one is you go to the products page, click on one of your products that you created in Shopify. For now, we'll click ebook. And then what you can do is you can upload and attach directly, or you can go over here and select one of your already uploaded assets. For now, we're just going to upload. I'll select ebook. And then you click done once it's done, and it would automatically be attached to this product. So once this product is ordered by a customer, the attached files will be delivered to them. Okay, so that's the first method, attaching files directly to a product. The next method, you go to the assets page. This works best if you have a certain amount of assets that you want to attach to loads of products. So what you can do is upload all of your files in bulk using the uploader. You can drag and drop as many as you want in there. And once you've uploaded the assets, you can go over here and select whichever ones you want. For now, I'll just select this one. Go over here to the attach to products button. It will attach all the selected assets that you've chosen to any products that you choose here. So for example, I'm just going to attach it to the video product with all 3 variants. You can simply just select the product name and all of the variants will be selected, and then click attach to product. And that's the 2 main methods to attaching files to products. And that's all you need to do to get activated with Fileflare. As default, the download email delivery is automatically enabled when you install the app. And I just want to note as well, you can go to an order and you can go down to the products section, click this button, and you can attach currently uploaded files, or you can upload new ones and attach them directly to the order. So that means if you've got a personalized digital product, you can deliver it to this customer only. Okay, so now we've set up the app and it's ready to go. I want to show you all the different settings that we have available that you can choose from and show you how to set them up. So if you go over here to the settings page, we'll start with the download delivery section. So what you can do here, you can go over to emails, and this is where you can control how the downloads are sent via email. You can integrate the download button into the Shopify order confirmation email that's sent with every order, or you can simply connect your own sender email address using SMTP. It's very easy to set up. We've got some guides here on how to do it really quickly within 5 minutes or so. And then if you want to set up digital delivery on the checkout pages, like the thank you page after they place an order, we've got some guides here on how to set it up. All you need to do is go down to settings. I'll open that in a new tab. Go to checkout. And then you go to the customize button. And then what we'll do is go over to this apps button here. You can simply click the plus button and then add it to these 2 pages. Let's add it to the thank you page first. Also, I want to show you this. You can change the loading text. So as it's loading, you can put something like loading digital products or whatever you want. And you can also change the button text inside the settings inside Fileflare. You can go over to here, go to download settings, and then change the button text here. Okay, so now that's added to the thank you page. Let's go back to this bit, click the plus icon. Now let's do it to the order status page. You can do the loading text again. Let's move that down so it's a bit nicer. Then we'll go back. And then to enable the customer account delivery as well, you can add this app block. So you want to go to the plus icon. We can add it to the orders page. And this is for the new customer accounts. This isn't the way it works for the legacy. There's a different method for legacy. So if we go back to Fileflare, you can go to the customer account section. There's a guide here for the legacy customer accounts. And then the new customer accounts is what I'm showing you right now. And it's as simple as that, basically. You add the button text, you can change the alignment, and then once you're done, you click save. And that's all you need to do. Let's close the checkout editor. Next, I want to show you how to place a test order so you can see how it works. Let's go to the orders page. You can simply go over here to create order, choose your products, I'm just going to choose ebook for now. Then you choose your customer. And then if you have a price set on your product, so it doesn't throw off your accounts, I would recommend going to add discount, selecting percentage, 100%. And then that will set the cost to 0, just so it doesn't throw off your accounts when you're placing test orders. Go to collect payment, mark as paid, and then create order. Okay, so that's how you do a test order. You can see that Fileflare will automatically fulfill the product because it's digital and does not need any shipping tracking details added to it. Then if we go to our email account, refresh the inbox, you'll see both the emails. You'll see Shopify's email and then the Fileflare email, both delivered exactly on time. Let's go to the Fileflare one. We'll open up the digital delivery page. And this is an example of how it would look for your customers. You can customize this to suit your store. You can change the colors, the styling, and so on. We're going to have some new theme templates coming soon. Also, I don't know if you've noticed, but if I go here and click copy link address, you'll see that it uses your store's domain name for the download links. So our store domain name here is my Shopify domain for demo purposes. And also the digital delivery page sits on your domain name too. Okay, and now let's go back to here. Next, I want to show you some more settings that we have available. So we're back to the settings page, and then I want to show you the download control. So in here, you've got the global limitations that you can set. So you can set an access limit. I've already got some examples set in here. An IP address limit, so only a certain amount of IP addresses can access the links. An order expiration, so if 5 is in there, it would be 5 days after the order is placed, and the links will expire. The great thing about this is this applies to all of your future and previous orders, but you can override individual orders in case a customer wants their limits increased. So what you can do is go back to the orders page, click on an order, and in this limitations box here, you can click to override the global limitations and set new values. Once you're done, you can simply just click save, and the customer will be able to access the links instantly. So updates live. Okay, so if we go back to the global limitations page, what you can do as well is when your customer reaches one of these limits, they'll reach a page that would inform them that they've reached the limit. So if you scroll down, all the different messages for these pages can be customized. So for the access limit, this is the default text, but you can change it to your language or whatever you choose. And you can do this for many different messages like asset not found, order not found, and so on. Another thing I want to show you is the branding section. So you can customize email templates, you can customize PDF stamp templates, and you can also customize the digital delivery page. So here you can change the text of the order heading, an order description, the additional downloads for when you deliver personalized digital products. And you can essentially change all these different settings. There'll be more added to here over time, so keep checking back. There'll be many more features coming down the line. And then the same goes with email templates, PDF stamp templates, and if you're an advanced user, you can connect your own S3 storage. For example, go in here, you can switch off this, add your first connection, and you can integrate as many buckets as you want. So you can just add bucket after bucket if you have multiple files in different locations. And you can also fetch files from your bucket. Then if we go to API, you can generate an API key, and that means you'll be able to create custom solutions. You can get a developer to build a certain workflow for you and integrate with Fileflare. There is one that I've not shown you just yet, which is the global media viewing. Currently, it's only available for videos, so you can enable a play button that will show the video files. We are bringing very soon the ability to do this for images, audio, and PDFs. If you want to remove the download icon and just show the play button, you can just simply switch this. And that means all your videos that you upload, like MP4 files or .mov files, they will all be playable from the digital delivery page. You can enable this for specific assets too, so you can just disable these if you want to. Go to the asset page, or click on a video, and you can see the video streaming section here. So for this file, if we just want video streaming for this individual video file, we can just click enabled and then click save. And that's it. That's all you need to do. If you get stuck with anything in the app, you can simply go to the AI bot. You can ask it questions. It literally reads throughout all of our documentation, so it'll provide you with quick answers for anything that it can. If this doesn't help and you need a human, simply just go over here to the support page, open a new ticket. We'll get back to you as fast as possible, and enjoy using Fileflare. And I hope you enjoy using Fileflare.